Hello, welcome back. We're doing a little lavender look today. Little lavender clips to match the vibe. I'm going to use the glow drops from Drunk Elephant, just a little bit. In my last video I asked if there were any spring looks you wanted to see, and a lot of the responses were lavender. I love lavender, so let's do it. I got a few others as well that are going to the list, but we'll start with lavender first. I'm going in with the Chanel foundation today. It's the shade B20. This foundation is definitely like more on the sheerer side of medium, but it is a really nice foundation. And I'm gonna contour with my NARS creamy contour. This is the shade number 2. Now you really only need a little bit of this at a time because a little goes a long way. Anyway, I'm so excited to do some spring looks. I got quite a few ideas in my last video in the comments, so I've made a list of all the little spring looks I want to do. For my concealer today I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Correct, and then I'll just use this to spot conceal anywhere as well, just because the foundation is a bit lighter in coverage. How cute are these earrings? I went to a flea market, not last weekend, the weekend before, and there was a lady there with a stall, and it was just buckets, like plastic containers full of jewellery, and they were all like in their own little bags, like little clear bags, so it was pretty organized. But she had whole bags and bags and bags. I think there was probably at least 20 boxes on her stall full of earrings, mostly earrings. There was some some like necklaces and bracelets too. I didn't see any rings, but you best believe I dug through every single one of those boxes and I found the nicest little pairs of earrings. These were a pair. They just reminded me of little angel wings. I thought they were real cute. I made a little video on them on TikTok, so you can follow me over there if you're on and see them all because they're really cute. I'm going to set everything now with my Huda Beauty press powder. This is the Cherry Blossom Cake. Oh, actually I got this little bracelet from her stall as well. Proper like heavy chunky bracelet, but I thought it was cute, this middle one here. And the earrings were $1 each. $1 each, couldn't even believe it. I got 10 pairs of earrings and then the bracelet, and she charged me $10. I mean, seriously, what more could you ask for? Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Cherry Blossom Babe blush from Nude Sticks. I've been feeling the pink blush lately, so we're going with it. Did I use this in my last video? Yeah, I did. I did the brown liner, yeah. I'm going to quickly just fill my brows in. I'm using the e.l.f. waterproof brow pencil. I was looking through a few of my lavenders to see what I liked best, and I have this one from Makeup Geek. It's called Lavender Dreams. It's a bit darker in real life. It looks quite light on camera. I have the Norvina palette. This is the volume 4 one, and I also really liked this purple here, so I might use a little mix of both. So I'm going to use a little bit of eye primer. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. You know me, I never use eye primer, but when I want to use a colour all over the lid and I want the colour to, you know, really show up, then I'll use eye primer. Otherwise I don't. Reason I don't use eye primer is because I usually use either like liquid or creamy eyeshadows, and they don't blend on top of an eye primer because the eye primer sets the eye, so it makes anything on top of it just too hard to blend. I'm going to go in with this shade first. This is C4, and I'm just going to pack this all over the lid. I'm just taking a little bit of my powder. I'm just going to go along that shadow in the crease just to soften the line, just to kind of help diffuse everything out. Now I do want to add just a little bit of like a corner wing, so I'm going to take one of my pencil liners. I'm going to take this one from Huda Beauty. It's a creamy coal in a brown shade. So instead of putting it on and blending it out on my eye like I usually do, I'm going to just get it on the brush and press it down. I'm just going to take this shade here from the palette. I'm just going to press this on top of the liner. Just going to do my lashes now. Okay, I'm going to go in with lashes, but I'm using nice soft natural ones. These are from the Coffee collection from House of Lashes, like the ones I used in my last video. These are the Style Mocha. So they're just like a little bit softer and wispier, not as long. Taking a little bit of my terracotta bronzer from Guerlain. I like to just always finish off my skin with this. And I think I'm going to do the blush combo that I did in my last video, which was adding a little bit of this Dior pink blush on top. Just going to use this lip liner from Natasha Denona. It's called I Need a Nude Lip Crayon. This is the shade 2.5. My good old trusty doll face lipstick from Too Faced, which if you know, you know I love it. But it is discontinued, or it was limited edition, I think. I just had a couple on deck. I'm gonna be so devastated when this runs out, but I have quite a bit to go. I'll use a little bit of gloss. This is from NARS. The shade is Turkish Delight. I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight. This one is from Guerlain. I'm just going to spray a little bit of the Caudalie Beauty Elixir on top. You know, I want to add some gloss on my eyes. Someone initially said to do like a glitter lavender, which sounds so nice, but then it made me think of a glossy lavender. And that speaks to me more. So I'm going to add a little bit of eye gloss on top, but I just wanted to show you the look without eye gloss. I'm just kind of dabbing it into the back of my hand. I just want like a light layer to add a sheen. Honestly, I swear, eye gloss on any look just makes everything better. And yes, it does crease. It's not a very long wear solution. Anyway, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this look. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.